In the previous class, you have learned that importance of saving and investment, which you might have started practicing whenever possible. We develop good habit to maintain physical health. In the same way, we should develop a habit of saving and investing regularly to maintain financial health. So there are different ways of investments. So deep study and experience both are essential for this. Now let us see some information about shares. To own a shop is proprietorship. When two or more individuals coming together to carry out a business is a partnership, which requires small capital. To establish a company, desiring persons come together and form a company. Company is to be registered under the Indian Companies Act, that is Indian Companies Act 1956. Persons who form a company are called promoters and company is called as limited company. Amount required to start a company, we call it as a capital. This capital is divided into small parts. Each part is like rupees 1, rupees 2, rupee 5, rupee 10, 100 rupees, etc. This small part is called share of the company. These shares are sold in share market to raise the capital. Now observe here ways of investments. Mutual funds, debentures, bonds, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, shares, insurance, provident fund, immovable property, jewelry. These were the ways of investments. A share is the smallest unit of the capital. The value of the share is printed on company's certificate with other details and it is called as share certificate. Shareholder. A person who owns the share is called a shareholder. A shareholder is a part owner of the company in proportion of number of shares he or she holds. Stock exchange. It is a place where the buying and selling of shares takes place. It is also known as share market and stock market, equity market or capital market. Companies should be listed in the stock market for trading. Face value. The value printed on the share certificate is called the face value of the share. It is also called nominal value or printed value or par value. Market value. The price on which the shares are sold or purchased in the share market, it is called market value of the share. In live statement, the market value changes frequently. If the company's performance is better than the expected, then those shares are in demand. The number of shares is fixed and therefore share supply could not be increased and hence the share price increases. If the company is not doing well, the share price falls. Increase in price is shown by this green triangle and decrease in price is shown by red triangle downwards. This is the reason for increase in Sensex and Nifty index. Now, dividend. Part of the annual profit of a company which is distributed per share among shareholders is called as dividend. If the company is performing well, then the value of the share capital increases and hence the price of the share goes up. As a result, company gives dividend. For the shareholders, the dividend income is tax-free. Whatever may be the market value, the dividend is always remarked on the face value of the share. For more information, there are two main stock exchanges of India, that is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, and National Stock Exchange. BSE is the oldest in Asia, while NSE is the India's largest stock exchange. There are two share indices namely Sensex and Nifty, which reflects overall market sentiments. Sensex is sensitive index, which was introduced by BSE on 1st January 1986. Sensex is determined from 30 stocks. They are the stocks of well-established and financially sound companies from main sectors. Nifty, as the name suggests, it is made up of two words, that is NSE and 50, which was introduced by NSE. It depends on India's topmost outperforming 50 companies.